Hello and welcome to day 30 or lesson 30 of our SQL Made Simple series. And today we'll be looking at any in subqueries. So that's going to be our focus for today. And we are still using our SQL Subquery DB from bit.ly SQL Made Simple. So what then is any? Any allows you to compare a single value against a set of values returned by a subquery. Okay. And the condition will be true if it matches at least one value. Think of any as saying, does this value satisfy the condition for at least one row in the subquery? So let's take a look at the syntax. So we select a column name from a table's name, where the column name, then we can have an operator, then we have our any, and we've got our subquery in there. So the operator can be an equal to sign, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal to, and less than or equal to. So to make sense of this, we will need to jump into our Express server to just look at one example and see how it all makes sense. Okay, so we are looking for the product priced less than any electronic product. So let's first of all look at our product table to see what's in there. So from products. Okay, let's see, execute. So we have product ID, product name, category, and price. And we are looking for the product price less than any electronic product. So all we need to do for our subquery is to find the electronic product. And how are we going to do that? So this is for our subquery, finding our electronic product. Okay, so we select. So we want the price because you're looking at the price from the product. Okay, where we are looking for the category. So where the category in our case is what? Electronics. So we use this for our subquery. So let's run it. So we have 1,200 and 800. So any, meaning we're looking for a price that is less than 1,200 or less than 800. Okay. And so this will include all products priced below 1,200. So once we have one of the conditions being met, so let's see what will happen. So we select then from our product table, okay? Then where we are looking for price. So the column name price, okay, is less than any, then our subquery will come in. So I'm going to copy this, then I'll paste it here like that. Okay, so now I need to look at the columns I want to select. So I want to select the product name and the price. So once I do that, I can run it for you to see. Execute. Now, what do I have here? So all the prices less than 1,200. You can see all of them here. So you have the phone, desk, chair, notebook, pen. So any. So this is how you use any in your queries. Okay, well done. And I will encourage you to keep practicing. Well done, well done. So let's look at the key difference between any and all. Any returns true if condition matches at least one value. All returns true only if condition matches every value. So there's a practice challenge for you. Find all customers who have at least one order less than any UK customer's order. Then get product priced greater than any stationary product. Then also show employees who worked on any order managed by IT department employees. So that's a wrap for the 30 or lesson 30 of our SQL Made Simple series. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and blessings.